Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change the Wattpad username. All right. First up, go ahead and open up the Wattpad app. Just tap on it. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to the top right. And here we have our profile. All right. Just tap on it. Now in here, you can go ahead and tap on your profile. Okay. Or tap on the gear icon at the top right and just tap on profile and account. All right. Going back, I'm going to tap on my profile name right here. And as you can see, we are being landed to the same exact page. Now, what we're going to do in here is just go ahead over to the About section. And under that, we have the username. All right. And we have the full name as well. When we tap on username, we can change it. All right. And when we tap on full name, we can go ahead and change it as well. For example, I'm just going to change my username 97 like that and hit on change. As you can see here, it says username changed. Now, say, for example, I'm going to change my full name. I'm just going to tap on it. And then I'm going to make it the same as my username. All right. Made for money 97. Once that's done, I'm just going to hit on change. And it says here, full name changed. When we go back to our profile right here, as you can see, it is now changed to made for money 97. And the at right here is changed to made for money 97. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.